And we got more chocolate here too, Belinda. Forget throwing the same old kid's birthday party. We're going to make it fun and unique. Here to lead the way, local maker Amy Ravis Fury. Before we get started now with all the kids' birthday parties, because I have a feeling you and I could talk for a while on this. Kind of talk about the maker movement and how it's really started here in Kansas City and how you are kind of taken a part of that.
Yeah, well, first of all, I want to say hi to my kids because they were so excited for a snow day.
Hi, kids. Happy snow day.
Or
ice day today.
All of these things could make really good winter snow day activities as well.
Perfect.
And I brought you some cupcakes because you can't have a party without that.
I love cupcakes.
But yeah, the maker movement is alive and well here in Kansas City. And makers are really looking for a way, you know, in a world of mass-produced products, like how to customize and make something totally unique, as unique as your child on their birthday.
Well, you want to have a unique birthday party idea, so what better way to make it unique than to do it yourself, right?
Exactly. And you get it exactly the way you and the child want it.
Okay. Well, let's go through some of the stuff you brought here today. This is really making it yourself, coming up with unique ideas. First off, it looks like we have some swords, some shields. So we have maybe kind of a knight.
Yes, this is my Knights of the Round Table theme. I mean, what's great is that you can see that none of this is really expensive. I mean, we both have 2 kids. Yeah. We've planned a lot of parties. We know how expensive it is to go to a jumping place or to the roller skating. And, you know, while this is an investment of time, it for sure is not expensive in the way that those other birthday parties are.
Well, you're not paying like $1,000 to go to...
No, this is cardboard.
This is, obviously, we took a box here. We're going to have a sword fight.
Yeah, and your shield.
Oh, yeah, we got to have one of those. Oh, what did you draw on here? Mighty, but small. There we go.
These are our shields. So yeah, my daughter just turned 8 and we did a cactus theme. She said, "Mom, I want cactus." And I was like, "Cactus? Like what?"
Cactus themed birthday party?
Yeah, and people are like, "How do you come up with this?"
Oh, well, here's some of her some of the pictures from the cactus themed birthday party.
She said, I'm sweet and cute like a cactus, but also a little bit prickly. Oh. Which is so true if you know Emma. And so we looked on Pinterest and you know, together we came up with 3 different activities around the theme of cactus. I paper machéed cactus in advance, and then the kids painted them and decorated them and potted them in these holders. Oh, cool. We decorated cookies, and then this is the best. We made cactus slime.
Oh, wow.
It's been sitting in here for a while, but yeah, I mean, this is easy stuff.
This bedazzled cactus slime, do you see that?
Yeah, there's definitely some secrets in there, but it was a huge hit. Another birthday party I did last weekend for a girl named Mara. She wanted to do some string letters, and so I created, again, you can
just cardboard.
Yeah, cardboard is my go-to. I have an overhead projector. I hate to give away my secrets, but an overhead projector, old school, and I project the images that I want. And
overhead projectors are probably a dime a dozen anymore. We probably don't use them very often.
They're amazing. I use them a lot. So the kids spent a lot of time wrapping and customizing their letters, and then I taught them how to make pom-poms.
Oh, cool. So what do you think is the very best part of a DIY birthday party? I know at least my favorite part of my kids' birthday party is just to see how excited they are when all their friends start to come over and they get just to have a great time, you know? Yeah,
I mean, I think that it's really empowering for a kid to say, like, this is what I'm into as I come into my 8th year. This is what I'm into when I turn 6. And to see that come to life in a birthday party is amazing. The other thing that's great is that it's an experience and it's something to take home. So I hope that all of our friends have this and this in their rooms and they look back, because you know, we want to create something that doesn't just get like tossed in the drawer. We want to, you know, they'll look back and remember that celebration.
Well, it's a really cool thing for Mara here. I mean, if she could have her name on her wall, in her room, especially in the cool creative letters. So well, thank you very much for being here. She is Amy Ravis Fury. Thank you for the great party ideas.
Thank you.
We know all your kids have great birthday parties,
Thank you.